Welcome back to Bike Rush, where we break down legendary motorcycles and their modern returns. Today, we're looking at a true workhorse reborn for a new era, the 2026 Yamaha AG100. Simple, reliable, and built to work hard, this bike stays true to its roots while embracing subtle modern updates. The Yamaha AG series has long been known as a dependable agricultural and utility motorcycle. Designed for farms, rural roads, and rough terrain, the AG100 earned its reputation through durability, low running costs, and ease of maintenance. The 2026 model continues this legacy with a focus on practicality over flash, engine and performance. The 2026 Yamaha AG100 is powered by a proven air-cooled, single-cylinder two-stroke engine tuned for torque and efficiency. Rather than chasing high top speeds, Yamaha focuses on smooth low-end power, making it ideal for carrying loads, navigating dirt tracks, and daily rural use. The engine is designed to run reliably on varied fuel quality, a key advantage in remote areas. A simple manual gearbox delivers predictable power delivery and easy control. The lightweight chassis and balanced geometry make the AG100 easy to ride for beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether on gravel paths, muddy fields, or narrow village roads, the bike feels stable and manageable. The design of the 2026 AG100 is intentionally minimal. A sturdy steel frame, upright riding position, and long travel suspension ensure comfort over uneven terrain. Practical additions like a reinforced rear rack, protective exhaust routing, and durable body panels make it a true utility machine built for daily abuse. Wide handlebars, a flat and supportive seat, and relaxed foot peg placement allow for long hours of riding without fatigue. The suspension is tuned for load-carrying capability, maintaining comfort even when transporting tools, supplies, or small cargo. Reliability remains the heart of the AG100. The 2026 model emphasizes easy servicing, with accessible engine components and widely available parts. Low maintenance requirements and rugged construction make it a cost-effective solution for riders who depend on their motorcycle every day. While staying basic, the 2026 Yamaha AG100 benefits from improved electrical reliability and updated braking performance. The focus is not on advanced electronics, but on consistency, safety, and long-term durability in harsh environments. Fuel efficiency is one of the AG100's strongest points. Designed for extended use with minimal fuel consumption, it helps keep operating costs low, an essential feature for farmers, delivery riders, and rural commuters. The AG100 is perfect for agricultural workers, rural riders, small business owners, and anyone who values function over form. It's not a lifestyle bike, it's a tool, and it excels at being one. The 2026 Yamaha AG100 proves that simplicity still matters. By refining a proven formula instead of reinventing it, Yamaha delivers a motorcycle that remains dependable, affordable, and purpose-built. For those who need a bike that works as hard as they do, the AG100 continues to stand strong. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more motorcycle reviews, classics, and upcoming machines from around the world.